So, very good evening to one and all present here. Today we are going to discuss about model number 5 in mechatronics, robotics and control. So, the most important topic, robot kinematics and dynamics. In that we are going to see about Dirac-Kurtenbach parameters. In short, we can say DH parameters. So, what is the importance of these parameters? It is a systematic method which describes the various kinematic chain of a robo arm. They simplify by mathematical model of robot by providing a standard notations to describe the relative position and orientation of the adjacent links. So you can see in the figure, so these are the different links of the robot arm. So each link movement influences the other neighboring link, through which we can be able to describe the relative position and orientation of the adjacent link. So what are the parameters defined by Dirac and Hülkenberg? Link length, link twist, link offset, and joint angle. These are the 4 parameters that allow us to precisely describe each joint in terms of common coordinate axis system. So therefore, it makes it easier to derive the kinematic equation necessary for controlling the robot movement. How to use them? Upon considering the DH parameter view, all parameters for an ideal robot will be present as it is. However, due to some difference in mechanical tolerance and assembly variation, each produced robot will have some slight different characteristics compared to the ideal robot, the standard robot arm design. These differences get measured and notified, stored during the calibration process before the robot leaves the factory in the calibration file. Under normal circumstances, the calibration file should not be moved or altered. It might be appropriate in some cases. The most used case would be if you are running a simulation, you can get more accurate results by retrieving it and using the same calibration data stored on the physical robot. So these are some of the general information about the robot kinematics and dynamics as per DH parameters. So we will see in the next module. Thank you, one and all.